Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just a new video here on Wish, or ContextLogic. Ticker is Wish, W-I-S-H. I've had this platform on my phone for quite a while. I ordered a couple products through it. I shouldn't say I have a friend or two that finds products on there. If you've been on there, you probably know what kind of products I'm talking about, and send them to me, and it's like, here's for your date for the weekend or something like that. So it's always a comedy about it, but they do have some interesting stuff on there. Some of it's kind of cheap. I've ordered some shirts that have fit and some haven't. So if you've listed any or ordered any products off of the platform, go ahead and list that in the comments. That'd be interesting to know as well. But it is a lot of fun on that platform, but some of the stuff is really cheap and crappy made, so I need to watch that. But this is ContextLogic, like I said, Wish. Here's what it looks like over the last 3 months. So this one's been kind of up and down all over the place. 15s down to the 8s. Had a 50% haircut there for a while. Not too bad of a last month, up over 75%. Could have got in here at 777. Had a nice run up there in the 1st of June, so about a $4, a little bit over $4. And on up to 1352. Here's a look at the last week. So a great last week as well. And could have got in on the early at 1171 and wrote it up there. So here's what it looks like on Friday. So just kind of up and down all over the place. So if you're looking to get into this one, just set your stops, set your alerts. I don't know, the one this volatile, I would say hold it, but don't listen to me. You'd have to do your own due diligence. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, so that's on you. But if you don't know what this one is, it's the operation of online marketplace that include Geek, Mama, Home, Cute, and Joyful Shopping. The company was founded by Peter in 2010. 166 million. So kind of decent volume on this one with a $8.73 billion market cap. And not too bad of ratings on this one. 83%. And I got some more information over here. So the ContextLogic managed to grow its sales 34% year over year in 2021, and the core Wish e-commerce platform still appears to be in good shape for expansion, even if growth provides to be uneven for the near term. So if 34% in 2020 is really doing well so far. ContextLogic is fighting for a substantial business, and so this is dated on the 22nd. So they operate as a mobile e-commerce company in Europe, North America, South America, and internationally. Company controls the Wish platform that connects shoppers to merchants. Platform itself has a long way to go before it becomes a widely adopted and serious marketplace. For a qualitative perspective, the platform bombards buyers with referral coupons, one-time offers, loyalty programs for continuous presence to buyers, and other marketing tactics. And the shopping structure leaves room for flexible pricing that shows shoppers one price on the thumbnail, with significant increases once the shopper picks the full properties for the item. So, and the qualitative aspects of the functionalities of the platform are concerning, because it seems that management has increased sales and marketing expenses of the business in the last 12 months, which is now as high as 1.3 billion. Investors may be inclined that the estimate of spending in marketing will result in being a short-term operating expense, which will have lasting user acquisition benefits for the platform. For these reasons, as you see below, analysts are skeptical and will prefer to wait for management to deliver on their promises first before making more positive estimates on the company. Sales of US $772 million came in at 3.9% ahead of expectations, although statutory earnings didn't fare nearly so well, recording a loss of 0.2 or 14% miss. So with this one, like I said, it's really volatile, as I already showed you, so just be careful with this one, or like I said, be into it for the long term. Here's revenue. Earnings is the green line. Free cash flow and cash flow from operations. So taking into account the latest results, the consensus forecasts, and the ContextLogic 10 analysts is for revenues of $3.32 billion in 2021, which would reflect a notable 15% improvement in sales compared to the last 12 months. So it looks like sales are up and down, and if you're in with this one for the long term, maybe sales will be back up as everything's going online. That's how I look at it. Here's another article, ContextLogic, Wish stock preparing for a next leg higher. This is dated just yesterday. Is the latest meme stock to catch some attention, but it is a worthwhile trade. I must preface the blog with the fact that the stock does not have much data. However, Elliott wave can still be useful in shorter cycles. And here's some other information, so I'm just going to slowly scroll through this one, as I got a couple other articles to go over here. And again, you can find this one on FX Street. Here's a look at the Elliott wave for ContextLogic. Medium-term view from all-time low set on June 7, 2021. Shareholder alert, investigates claims on behalf of investors. ContextLogic Wish on the 24th. Investigating claims on behalf of investors of ContextLogic, or ticker Wish. Such investors are advised to contact the following. Investors ContextLogic or certain of its officers and directors have engaged in securities fraud or other unlawful business practices. So if you have any of this one, you might want to look into this a little bit deeper. On or around December 16, 2020, completed its initial IPO, selling 46 million shares of its Class A common stock at $24 per share, raising from $11 billion in proceeds. On March 8, 2021, Wish reported a fourth quarter and fiscal year 2020 financial results for the period ended on 12/31/2020. And feel free to pause and go over the rest, or else you can find this on prnewswire.com. Then on May 12, 2020, they announced the financial results on the interim period ended on 3/31/2020, disclosing the MAU had declined another 7% to just 101 million. So something to watch, something to investigate a little bit deeper on this one if you're looking to invest into it, because it looks like it's had some problems in the past. Like I said, there's a lot of foreign stuff on the website. I've ordered shirts and some other products. A lot of the stuff is cheap, but you gotta watch the quality on some of it. So ContextLogic busts up through bull flag. What's next? This is just dated on the 25th, so yesterday. Wish has been trending on Twitter and Reddit communities for weeks. It has caught the eye of retail investors not only due to its underlying statistics, but many feel it is very undervalued. E-commerce platform has a float of 338.77 million shares, and a total of 97.9% of its float is held by institutions and insiders. And feel free to pause and go over the rest. Over here to Reddit issues. Great Wish shopping platform. This is official referral code post. Pumpers will be banned. get you some donuts over here to StockTwits, currently at $14.04, low of 752, a high of 32.85, and decent amount of shares being traded on this one. Irreplaceable opportunity for everyone. The stock will go astronomical numbers. So we'll just have to wait and see. So if you're getting into this one, I would definitely set your alerts, set your stops, protect yourself. Number of watchers grow 250% within 2 weeks. That's crazy. So this one is got a lot of eyes on it, so it is going to be moving. There's lots of volume. There could be more volume on Monday. Currently at $14.04 with an upside of $18.60, 32%, a high of 24, low of 12. That's all that I have on Wish. So if you have this one or ContextLogic, go ahead and list it in the comments along with your cost basis and how many shares you have. That would be interesting to know. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. I think you got about 30 subs to go, and we'll be hitting 1,000 here. So, and ready to take the channel to the next level. So again, I thank you for watching. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.